Welcome to the YouTube channel of Mount Brescia, Standard 10. Today, I am here with the same chapter in history, nationalism in India. Today, I will take another topic. In the last video, I have told you about the non-cooperation movement which has been started in towns and cities. Towns and cities, we have seen how this movement has begun with the middle class participation, which affected the economy, and they boycotted the movement afterward. In this way, the movement has spread and stopped also in different places in towns and cities. Today, we'll go through how the non cooperation movement started in the villages, countryside, and what was its effect, how it has stopped. So, it has been said that from the country, from the cities, the non cooperation movement spread to the countryside. Countryside means in the rural areas, villages. It, it drew into its fold the struggle of peasants and tribals. In this revolt of countryside, peasants and tribals means Adivashi, the inhabitants, the original inhabitants were called tribals, which were developing in different parts of India in the year after year. Year after year, people were living there, and there the non cooperation movement has reached over there. In Awadh, peasants, peasants were led by the leader Ramchandra, Baba Ramchandra. He was a sannyasi. He has revolted over there. Means there the people were in Awadh, the people were forced to do begar. Begar means forced labor without any payment. The tenure means the period of working were not fixed. From morning till evening, night they have to work without any payment. Without any payment. There were no security of tenure. Time limit is not there. So the people demanded from peasants, not people, the landlords demanded from the peasants heavy taxes, variety of other things from them, and forced labor. So the peasants have agitated, revolted against these things, against the reduction of revenue, against the abolition of begar, and the social boycott of oppressive landlords. Means landlords should not interfere in their matters. They should not be forced to do begar. At that time, Jawaharlal Nehru has, in 1920, Jawaharlal Nehru once visited Awadh, and he started a movement, a sabha, that is Ud Kisan Sabha. And when Gandhiji has introduced this non-cooperation movement, this total movement has merged into this non-cooperation movement to make it a widespread movement. And it became widespread movement, and it became wide. The peasants movement developed in form that Congress leadership was unhappy. Congress leadership was unhappy with this movement. As the movement spread in 1921, it became widespread, no? So talukdars, the landowners, the houses of merchants were targeted. Their houses were burnt. Their godowns were burned. Their godowns were looted by the people. Grains, whichever they have hoarded and kept as a hoarding stock, these things have been looted by the common people. And they started telling that Gandhiji had declared that we should not pay taxes, this and that. Means whatever the Gandhiji's view were there, it was misinterpreted. And Gandhiji, although has started this non-cooperation movement for non-violence, but they started in another way, that is in the violence way. So this is one story of, means one way how the village people have reacted. There are many other. In the Gooden Hills of Andhra Pradesh, there the people have taken this non-cooperation movement in different way. In the Gooden Hills, the inhabitants of there, the tribal people, they used to go to the forest to collect their fuel woods or the fruits or the wild fruits, or they used to graze their cattle inside the forest. But when the British came, they were all prohibited of doing these things. They cannot go for fuel wood. Their cattle should not be grazed inside the forest. So where they will go? So many years they were doing like this. Now if they will be stopped from going inside the forest, where they will get the fuel wood? Where they will graze their cattle? Because other lands which were previously their open land, these were also been encroached by the Britishers for cultivation. So there is no place left for their grazing of cattle. So they started protesting against it. And who was the leader? A person, very interesting person. His name was Alluri Sitaram Raju. Alluri Sitaram Raju, he claimed that he had some variety of special powers. He can predict what is going to happen, and he can heal up the wounds of the people. And even he said that if anybody will shoot him, the bullet will not strike his body. So people used to go to him, and they used to think that he was the incarnation of God, Bhagwan ka avatar, who has came to make their everything well to do again. So Sitaram Raju was a very popular person among them, and he loved and he respected Gandhiji too much, and he told the people over there to support non-cooperation movement. So everybody supported it, but Sitaram Raju also knew that with non-violence, freedom cannot be achieved. He believed that force is required to make the Britishers away from their country. So they attacked the police stations, attempted to kill British officers, carried on guerrilla warfare. Guerrilla warfare means doing war by hiding themselves inside the forest, taking the advantage of different colors, putting the colors in their faces, carrying a branch and hiding them. This is called guerrilla warfare. And Sitaram Raju was very active in that. And so he involved the people to do these things with the Britishers. So at last Raju was captured by the Britishers and was being killed, executed in 1924. But he still remained a folk hero. Folk hero means Adivasiyon ka hero over there in Gudem Hills. In this way, the non-cooperation movement ended in different parts of our villages, rural areas, where people take this non-cooperation movement in different way. They misinterpret it because Gandhiji has started non-cooperation movement in a non-violence way, but they took at last a violent way. So Gandhiji has stopped, or this movement has been stopped in the rural or countryside. In the next class, we will go through Swaraj in the plantation. Thank you.